gonna get them playing together.
That still scares me though.
You should have seen though. Arnie was doing the funniest little prancing around, just egging Bear on, trying to get him to play with him.
I know, but if Bear just get pissed off one time, that's all it takes. And you know Bear gets tired. That's enough, boys. Arnie.
See how he stands up and pounces on him? Look at him. Look at him.
Okay, that's enough. Come on, boys. Quit it. Come on.
Break
Quit
it
it,
up.